Hey, welcome to Show and Tell. I'm here with Scott Forsyth from BG-Graspointner, and I'm very curious to know what Graspointner does and what you're showing here today at the symposium.
Sure, yeah. So BG-Graspointner is a leader in drainage technologies, linear drains, trench drains. We do a lot in sort of water management. So anything to do with surface drainage, the collection of it, the transport of it is kind of what we do at our company.
Stuff.
Yeah, exactly. You don't want to wait runway, right?
Right.
Yeah. So we have a lot of different products that do that. The one that we actually have over here is probably the most well known in the industry. It's a high capacity, F-load rated trench drain, essentially a channel drain. It's a slot top, and it's a large capacity system, right? So if you've got like a runway, if you've got taxiways or hangars, things like that, it really is a great system for a lot of water to be able to move into the system and then get transported off the site.
So for any size airport?
Any size. Like currently we have a project at JFK. We're doing a big de-icing facility for them. So stormwater, de-icing, they're kind of, taking the glycol and separating it. But yeah, it's probably about 1,000 feet of this, and it goes up to about a 20-inch diameter size under the ground. So very large system as well, and that is on the air side. Yeah.
So each one of these is a unit that you would put into the runway or the taxiway, and there would be multiple units of them throughout.
Correct,
or
yeah.
Do they connect?
They do connect. So they come out in about 3-foot sections. And they would connect together, and then you would drop them down in sizes depending on your hydraulic capacity that you're needing on the system. So, the other nice thing that actually this product was typically made in the UK. As in sort of 2 months, we're making it here in the United States, which is exciting. And primarily also because we know there's a lot of infrastructural stuff going on, and having the product made here locally is going to be really, really important. So yeah, this particular product will be made in the United States as of April.
Okay.
Yeah. So. All right, so we also have a number of other solutions. It's not all about water. We primarily deal with hydrology and water, and our engineers are always working with specifiers on that kind of stuff. But for example, this looks like a channel drain, and you'd think, oh great, this is where water would go. But what channel drain or linear drains actually turn out to be really good solutions for cabling and ducting. So if you're looking for something where you don't want to direct burial a cable, you want to be able to access it, maintain it, you can use a channel drain. And the channel drains are designed in such a way that they're sealed. They've got the F-load rating, so you can see kind of over here it's sealed. It's got this raised area as well, so if there ever is a chance that water can get in here, your cabling's not sitting on it. But ultimately, it is a really good place for cabling to be able to access, maintain really quickly. So, warehouses, inside hangars, things like that, it's a really good solution. So, yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. I would think, why haven't they done more of that in the past? Because then it's safer from digging.
Correct.
Right?
Safer from digging. If you need to put a new cable in or something. It's a good question. I think there are certain, usually there's big overhead cables sometimes, but from a safety standpoint, from a load rating standpoint, it makes a lot of sense. You see this a lot actually along like rail lines as well.
Right.
We've got electrical rail. So if you're doing like a transport system into your airport or something like that, like at LAX, they've got a lot of light rail coming in now. Things like this would actually make a lot of sense for projects like that. So
that's really interesting. Is that something that sets BG apart?
Yeah.
From competitors?
Yeah. I mean, we're a solution provider. We aren't just a manufacturer. I mean, we are looking for ways to meet the need of different applications. And airports, we have a lot of application products that deal with parking structures, for example. If you're looking for parking structures with very low profile type solutions, we have a huge amount of them in the marketplace. So, it's not just about a runway, it could be on the land side, it could be in the walkways, it could be in the parking structures. That's kind of our focus, right? We like to bring different solutions to the customer, and this is just one of them.
Yeah, that's important.
Yeah.
Well, impressive. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Yeah, no, a pleasure. Thanks. It was great. Thanks for having us, and it's nice to talk to you.
We'll see you soon.
Yes, definitely. All right, thank you.
Join us again soon. Thank you.
Thanks.